Welcome to Review Source. Looking for the perfect grill that won't break the bank? In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best budget-friendly grills for 2025, carefully chosen for their cooking performance, durability, and value for money. Whether you're a weekend barbecue lover, a tailgating fan, or just need an affordable option for your backyard, these grills deliver great taste without the hefty price tag. From compact, portable designs to larger, family-friendly setups, each pick is based on expert reviews, user feedback, and real-world performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Weber Spirit 2 E210. The Weber Spirit 2 E210 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a compact yet powerful gas grill that delivers consistent performance every time. Designed with Weber's trusted engineering, this grill comes with a 10-year limited warranty, giving buyers confidence in its durability and long-term use. One of its standout features is the porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which not only retain heat evenly, but are also easy to clean, making grilling less of a chore. The heat distribution is precise and consistent, ensuring that meats, vegetables, and even delicate items are cooked thoroughly without constant attention. Its Snapchat ignition system makes lighting up each burner simple. Just press and turn the knobs with one hand, and the burners ignite quickly. The stainless steel flavorizer bars are another highlight, as they vaporize drippings to infuse smoky flavor into food while directing grease away from the burners, reducing flare-ups and keeping maintenance manageable. The durable cast aluminum cookbox resists rust and peeling, ensuring long-term outdoor use, while the cabinet conceals the propane tank and provides space for accessories. With 4 tool hooks and side tables, utensils are always within easy reach. The grease management system with a pulled-out tray and drip pan simplifies cleaning after use, allowing you to enjoy the grilling experience without a messy aftermath. A warming rack keeps food ready to serve, and the side tables offer extra prep space. Overall, the Weber Spirit 2 E210 is a versatile, reliable grill with user-friendly features that make it perfect for both beginners and seasoned grillers. Its balance of size, functionality, and durability ensures you get an enjoyable outdoor cooking experience every time.
Number 2. Char-Broil Performance Series 4-Burner. The Char-Broil Performance Series 4-Burner is designed for those who enjoy grilling with versatility and convenience. With 4 burners, this grill provides ample cooking space and heat control, making it a great choice for family gatherings and outdoor entertaining. It includes a chef's delight tray, which enhances cooking options by allowing you to prepare a wider variety of foods at the same time. The lid-mounted temperature gauge provides accurate monitoring, helping you achieve precise cooking results whether you're searing steaks, grilling chicken, or slow-cooking vegetables. The Performance Series also comes with a 10,000 BTU side burner, perfect for warming sauces or preparing side dishes without stepping away from the main grill. This feature is particularly useful for multitasking during big meals. The side shelf are at workspace for preparation and are gear tracks enabled, meaning you can customize the setup with accessories sold separately, making it flexible for your unique grilling style. Built with convenience in mind, this grill is user-friendly and ensures consistent results. Its 4 burners provide powerful heat, while the design allows you to manage multiple zones at once, perfect for cooking various foods at different temperatures. Char-Broil also emphasizes easy cleanup and maintenance, so you can focus more on enjoying the food than scrubbing afterward. Overall, the Char-Broil Performance Series 4-Burner offers durability, efficiency, and versatility, making it an excellent investment for grillers who want more cooking power and flexibility at a reasonable price.
Number 3. Cuisinart CGG 7400 4-Burner Gas Grill. The Cuisinart CGG 7400 4-Burner Gas Grill is a strong contender for anyone seeking a durable, reliable, and spacious grill. It boasts 4 11,000 BTU burners, delivering a total of 44,000 BTUs, which provide excellent heat control and even cooking performance across the surface. With 443 square inches of primary cooking space and a 167 square inch warming rack, there's plenty of room to prepare large meals, making it ideal for families or entertaining guests. The cast iron cooking grates are a standout feature, known for retaining heat well and creating beautiful sear marks that enhance both the taste and appearance of grilled foods, offering ample prep space for ingredients, utensils, or condiments. Durability is another strong point of the Cuisinart CGG 7400. Built with stainless steel elements, including the lid and control panel, it not only withstands outdoor elements, but also provides a sleek, modern appearance. Practicality is built into the design, with user-friendly controls and a solid build that ensures consistent cooking sessions. While some grills may feel flimsy, the CGG 7400 feels sturdy and dependable. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the design of the cooking grates and accessible components.
Number 4. Royal Gourmet PD1300 Portable 3-Burner. The Royal Gourmet PD1300 is an excellent portable griddle designed for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want convenience and versatility in a compact size. Its portability is one of its strongest features. You can easily pack it into your car trunk or place it on a picnic table, making it perfect for camping trips, picnics, or backyard gatherings. With 319 square inches of cooking space, this griddle can prepare up to 15 patties at once, making it suitable for family meals or group cooking. The included PVC cover adds value, protecting the griddle from dust, sun, and weather elements when not in use, ensuring long-lasting durability. The porcelain enameled cooking surface not only distributes heat evenly, but is also easy to clean, allowing you to spend more time enjoying food and less time scrubbing. Compact yet powerful, the Royal Gourmet PD1300 strikes a balance between performance and portability.
Number 5. Monument Grill's 4-Burner Propane Grill. The Monument Grill's 4-Burner Propane Grill is a feature-packed option that brings professional-grade cooking performance to your backyard. This upgraded model includes 4 304 stainless steel main burners, plus a stainless steel side burner, delivering a total of 60,000 BTUs for powerful and even heat distribution. One of the standout features is the included rotisserie kit powered by a 120-volt electric motor, which allows you to roast meats evenly with minimal effort, adding versatility to your cooking options. The LED control knobs not only add a modern touch, but also improve visibility for nighttime grilling. Stainless steel flame tamers enhance flavor by vaporizing drippings, reducing flare-ups, and ensuring even heat distribution. This model also comes with 2 side shelves equipped with tool hooks, keeping your utensils and accessories within easy reach. To wrap up, these grills cater to different needs: compact, portable, versatile, or premium. The Weber Spirit E2 shines in reliability, Char-Broil in versatility, Cuisinart in space, Royal Gourmet in portability, and Monument Grills in advanced features. Choosing the right one ensures flavorful meals, easy cooking, and unforgettable gatherings every time you fire up the grill.